morning. Today we introduce a new car model to you all. This truck multi-career is equipped with a powerful V-twin engine and comes with a 10-speed manual transmission. The axle can handle loads of 13 tons steadily. The Dongfang flat north curb is super practical. The whole truck weighs 18 tons in total. The cargo box is roomy and can handle a lot. It also has the XCMG 6.3 ton for section boom crane. It can handle engineering transportation and on-site operations super efficiently. This is Yunnan Mangshi. Welcome to Come for Consolation.